No need to break the lockers now. I'll just wait right here.
Before taking attendance, I'll check everyone's name in the Death Note.
Sir, please write my name with the wrong spelling. What's gonna happen with a fake name?
You think I'm a noob?
The Cantonin uncle had a plan ready.
I'm Hooch. I'm me.
Today, not water breathing. 20 rounds with sun breathing. First do 100 rounds, then we'll talk about swords.
From today, a new rule. Instead, Jujutsu classes will be mandatory. You just need to look at me with Mandarin open. Whoever survives, pass.
Wake up! The school bus has arrived. At least in your dream, you got one thing done. Now wake up and go to the real school.